Okay, so it is Wednesday, June 8th, 2016, about like 11:50 or 10:55. I'm gonna clean the air conditioners off here. It's getting ready to go to San Diego on Sunday, so just go ahead and do it before we have to go to San Diego. And I mean, these things haven't been cleaned off since last June, so yeah. And it's a little bit harder now because Tam Brandis just put this like rock bed in, so, but it looks good. It looks really good. So. Nice and shiny now. And go ahead and clean it over here. This is a 2001 York 2.5 ton unit. It's half decent. It works. I guess that's all that matters. So, and then real quickly we'll this one clean off there since it's not running. Just a very quick hosing. And then yeah, we're gonna wait. After that, we're gonna wait for a second and let the Guardian turn off so we can clean it. Yeah, let's go ahead and get all this. I'm gonna actually. Okay. Let's go ahead and get all this. There we go. This is just chip paint. Alright, I'll be back. We're gonna wait for the Guardian. Alright, so shut off. And I also got a request back in like February or something to do a cleaning video of these units, so yeah. Guardian. And one time I made the blades spin. I don't remember when that was. Like, I did it one time, so I tried to do that, but so in 2007, it's a 4-ton. Replaced a York, which was pretty much the same as that one, except a little bit bigger. It's 4-ton. So, and there's a bunch of crap, grass and crap down in the bottom of the unit. You can see it kind of running out there a little bit, so getting some of it, but not enough of it. I mean, obviously, that's gonna be nearly. Oh, look at that! Got a big chunk right there. And spider webs and crap in there. There's also a place on the York that I missed, so go get that real quick, I guess. Okay, now line set down here. Holy crap, it's disgusting. I noticed it last night. So, clean that off, and then a bunch of dirt and crap right there. All cleaned off. Actually, let me go over here to the other side. Yeah, I usually just do this once a year. Just like in, you know, sometime in June, usually I do it. So, anyway, so that's probably good enough for the Guardian. I can't really get the blades to spin like I did that one time, so sorry about that. But okay, and on the York mist down here. And line set. What crap, dude. Alright, well, it's gonna be about it for this video. So, yeah, I guess over and out.